I've been through changes I didn't expect, and now I'm learning how to love where I am while working toward where I want to be. This is the journey, the ups, the downs, and everything in between. This is living in progress.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Seems like I can't get away from you. Broken hearts were made for two, I guess. And it's so confusing, finding the right ways to express. Being love, it's a fear, it's a drug we do, I guess. An addiction we won't admit. But baby, you should know this. I ain't going, I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it. I wasn't going. I know you know this not change, but I'll be the one that always, always a better.
Good morning, y'all. Aeon. Happy June 1st. I know for some of you, my environment, my surroundings may look a little familiar, and that's because it is. But that's neither here nor there. Like I said, today's June 1st, and it's a Sunday, and we're going to start it off on the right track by working out.
Got an attitude, what you better say, so I ain't mad at you. For sure. I'm a fuck like I said, but on my baby poppin' that Adderall. For sure.
Way too rich to drive a road. Made $1 million out the stove. She like to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her on the bros. I done put her in the rose. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, pull up with Yeezy and $sign. I'm all about business, I'm man of man. Pull up in the church like Caliban. Pull up with a rocket like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Your nigga reach all the goals. Let her suck the dick, said she was a pro. She straight with teeth, I'ma tell her to go. Go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She brought it like she's flags. We turn up to the max. I whop her from the back. I gave that bitch a cramp. They love me out in France. In the hood, I'm good, I'm stamped. Every day I dress all black. Go show 900 rags. Middle East go double that. On my neck a bubble back. On my wrist new Cadillac. Cause I all don't want a bag. Little bitch, I'm a superstar. These hoes wanna fuck my car. My dog put a nigga in park. Gotta watch out for the knives.
For sure. Blessings, see, nigga.
This the Game of Thrones, Yeezy not the clones. Elon with my rocket ship, it's time to go home. They served us the porn, since the day we was born. Anybody pissed off, gotta make a drink to yours. Now I'm Ye Kelly, bitch. Now I'm Bill Cosby, bitch. Now I'm Puff Daddy Rich. That's me, to me rich. Where she said my dick? And she said she ain't said my dick. She gon' take it up the ass like a ventriloquist. I mean, sis Taylor Swift. Since I had the rolling on the wrist, I'm the new Jesus, bitch. I turn water to Chris. This for what they did to Chris. They can't do shit with this. Got my kids in a fake school. We go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She ride dick like a carnival. Been over, having flashbacks, she gon' eat me up like a carnival. It's the way I pop my shit, the hoes not ready. I'm going barnacles. Moving to feel like they chasing, can't get arrested, I make them stop mode. She want a private session, roll off them X's when I'm on mirror. She tatted my name on her titties, yeah, you could bust it, but it's a borrow. Sitting back counting up doors, I was raised in a barrow. She wanna taste it, checking the sweat today, ho, come back tomorrow. If you know what I know, how's your hoe? Just off the fence, don't having them honchos. Running around in the lobby, I know that they tired me, having like 10 hoes. She needs some credentials, just to be presidential. Hold up, I'm out to buy some ditches, make the hoe eat me for dinner. Whoa, pain, all of my eyes, I can't see. I'm out to jump out my body, I'm ready to leave. I'm out to none of her body and tell the whole league. 50 mil stuff in the bag, tell the whole gang eat. It's late and body, tell me who fucking with we. Oh, holla the car, I'm feeling that whole rush sleep. Dollar signs all of my dreams, I don't never see Z's. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This way, cover my body like it's a disease. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
For sure. I'm a fuck like I said, but on my baby popping that Adderall.
Clearly, I've been back from the gym. It is currently 10 p.m. on the dot. I was supposed to been take care of this, but I didn't. I'm about to do it right now, but we're about to meal prep because your girl has her first day of school tomorrow, and also she works. So tomorrow's going to be a very long day, but I was thinking maybe if I get in bed by 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that'll be at least 7 hours of sleep. So we'll be okay. So right now, I'm gonna meal prep some chicken breast. I'm gonna dice it up into nice little cubes, and we're gonna just get ready for tomorrow. Okay? Snacks. I just have some vanilla Greek yogurt with blueberries and honey. What else I got? And then I have 2 containers. They're both the same thing for lunch at school and then lunch at work. I just have some chicken breast and rice. We get to finally unwind for real. It's 10:46 right now, so I have about like 15 minutes to get into bed and take my clothes out and everything. I was gonna wash my hair, but I'm not, because I don't have time right now. I'll just stick to this hairstyle for the next couple of days, and we're just gonna calm down. But as long as we have our meal prep, we're all good and we're set. To do like low manipulation styles to my hair, because I really want my hair to grow longer and be a little bit fuller. And I feel like when I do those slick back buns sometimes, not sometimes, I know it breaks my hair every single time, but I feel like this could be my signature protective style. But I do like it, and I do feel like it's kind of cute. Even though sometimes I feel like it makes me look like the little black girl off of, what's that movie called? Matilda. I be looking like her sometimes, especially when I be having my glasses on. Isn't it so cute? Only thing I don't like is that it shrinks up. So sometimes you be curling up like this, and I don't like that. I wish it can look elongated like this. But this is why I want my hair to grow longer, because when I put it in twist like this, and I just let it sit and it shrink, I want it to be this length when it shrink. But when it shrink, it be like up here. That's why sometimes I just be crisscrossing it in the back with some bobby pins just to hide the ends of my hair. It's 11:07. Time to be fun. Alright, y'all, night routine is done. Beavers are cleaned. Food is meal prepped. Clothes is out and set for tomorrow. Backpack packed. Melatonin took. We're all set and ready to go. So, I know this vlog was kind of short, but that's okay. If you guys liked it, Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. As always, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And until the next one.